Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate here on a 2017 Honda Civic, guys, where the engine starter fuse is located. You have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to open the fuse box that's under the hood. Once you open the hood, you will see your engine bay, and right here in the corner this is your car battery, and next to it on the right side, right in front of the strut tower, you have your fuse box. You open that lid right here, and once you open the fuse box, you have a layout that looks like that. That will be the front of your Honda Civic, that it's towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, you have fuses, relays, more fuses, but then you come to those special fuses right here that are known as multi-block fuse, that consists of multiple ones. This one has 6, this one has 7, this one has 6. Unfortunately, if one of those burns, let's say it's that one here, that 70 amp fuse, you have to replace the whole fuse box. You remove that board here, you pull it out, replace it. If you need to check them, you remove it, you pull it out, and you can look at them. Let me show you what they look like, by the way, so you know what they look like. When you remove them, you can clearly see them on the side if they're burned or not. You can see just like that one. They will be very visible, guys. Now let's explain which fuse you need to check here. We need to come, guys, in that multi fuse box number 3 right here, that one. Now here, guys, the fuse that we'll need to check specifically will be from top to bottom, that second fuse right here. That 30 amp fuse will need to be checked, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.